Umwanya gwasisikira habiro nabyo kwezi kwa gatanu umwaka ogu nugushangwara hamurwa tawno kanso mu district ya Rubanda kandi arsonabe nawe orumanager w'ikitongore cya UNRA habwitajari ya Kabale hakaragana sango musabitisha tunubija kuba bamazuru murimo gwo kutereza umwanya ogu. UNRA kabeshabira abatambuzi okoresha uruguto rwa Kabale katunarubaya muko kuza Kisoro hamwe no rwa Kabale rye kubunyunyika cwekano kagarama naho kuza Kisoro. Twayicara manager wa UNRA habwitajari ya Kabale owatugira ngo bakatunga mu buzubu beitu bariyo no bakorekero kubasiko kumaririzo mu rumogo mu buyire.
Ine naka tukagira mu mechanical naka breakdown turiyo rectifying turiyo mobilizing na materials ekwetagwaho batuya coming anytime.
Arane sempebwa omugambirizo w'ikitongore cya UNRA arukugambira hasumu yagerangwe ngo utegeka teganisubwamo mukorwa beitu bagarikire mbo bwanyuma yo kutereza bizube byabire biriho.
Just yesterday I received pictures where our team were there and we had the equipment there, not just one equipment. Mechanical issues we had with the excavator I knew. When they returned on site they gave me an update that they're back on site. And for us these are in construction be a straight up activity, There's going to be a delay in something. You remember the other day when they had some showers in the day. That as well also affects progress. But the point is we are spirited at working. I think that for us the will to work is there. We have not abandoned. When we had challenges with our equipment, we rectified the challenges and brought it back on site.
One thing which I must tell you about is that this road, right off from Kabale up to Kisoro, the drainage system of this road is very poor. There is no drainage.
Bamwe habatura barukorese nguteji batoreke barukwenda bikorwa hanguteji.
Itwe turebera hantu hinji bari gukora enguuto. Kandi nabo nkaba engineer professional banya what they are supposed to do. Echo kubaza cyabyo norwe tirufunjo rukutinisi bwakora ki gukorwa muki uruguto. Habo kuba there are many ways yo kugira ngo urugudo baruteka iba hori original plan yabo ehibabire bagitire.
So briefly ashimere kwa nabaho okumaraho okora kw'enkuuto kuri shode. Ejo ni problem emwe eyo kurebeka ngo yarugaho. Planning akora enkuuto zishemere kuba enkuuto ezera linkinga a country okuruga Kampala okakwata Maraba okijoka kwata Kisoro kakwata Rwanda shemere kwa tino rukuto rubareta urukuto ogwabagiga bentekateka turuteka mu center ko setezi nabwe neza donation natucashashura loan.
Echanga cha kigezi kiteganisiwe njurero kugwa munonge birebi kandi abantu barukuringa 20 baferire mu gasha kwa Job namanya.